I hope you all are having a wonderful day or night, whichever time you are watching this video. As you can see in the video, I'm cleaning this floor mat that wasn't that dirty. I've definitely seen worse. I start with using the hot water extractor to spray hot water on the floor mat. After that I follow up with these two different spray bottles I am using. One is specifically for upholstery and the other one is our all-purpose cleaner we use. After spraying them, I let it sit in and then hit it with the drill and the brush attachment. Having that setup is a must in the detailing world. This was the first time using this hot water extractor Mighty S300H. This hot water extractor works magic. After hitting it with the brush attachment, I then use the hot water extractor to suck up the dirt. The beauty of this hot water extractor is it sprays hot water, which makes it much easier to get out the dirt and also vacuums it up as well. Repeat these steps if needed. As you can see, the hot water extractor has a clear top hose which allows you to see the water being vacuumed up. It is good for multiple reasons. One being that you can tell if there is still dirt in that section instead of waiting for it to dry out to realize so, and two is it shows you if there is still a decent amount of water in the floor mat. Now since I'm done cleaning the floor mat, I'm going to utilize the vacuum portion only to ensure I got out majority of the water. If you like this video and would like to see more videos similar to this, go to the comments and post what you would like to see. Thank you all for watching. Go ahead and hit that like and follow button for more videos.